Okay, so today I'm going to show you a really simple shoulder tape job. Work with pretty much any area of shoulder pain. What we're going to do first is we're going to have our patient bring her arm in front. We're going to start the tape with, and this is a self-tape job, do-it-yourself tape job, but if you have noticed, you can't really do it to yourself. You kind of need a partner to help. So we're going to tack this down kind of on the upper trap, and we're going to follow the contour of the shoulder with a tiny bit of stretch around to the front. Now you're going to bring your arm behind your back. Great. And we're going to start this tape job on skin, just a little bit above where that last piece was applied. And we're going to bring this around the front of the shoulder and kind of follow that contour. And right back to neutral. So this last piece is really dependent on where your discomfort is. If you're having pain on the top of the shoulder, right in here and here, you can place it there. Around to the side, you can place it here. So we're going to tear the tape in the middle. This is our decompression strip. We're going to add a little bit of stretch, and then we're going to let those ends come off without any stretch. And this is a really comfortable tape job for any shoulder movements.